Are you tired of back pain ruining your day? You are not by yourself. Millions struggle with this every day, but today we're offering you quick solutions to relieve that pain. Back pain can be caused by poor posture, muscle strain, or injury. Understanding the cause is the first step toward relief. Let's explore simple techniques you can use. Firstly, try stretching your lower back. Stand up, reach for the sky, and hold for a count of 10. This helps loosen up tight muscles. Next, consider using a warm compress. A warm towel can soothe painful muscles. Apply it directly to the sore area for 15 minutes. Also, remember to pay attention to your posture. Sit up straight and keep your shoulders back. Good posture can prevent further back pain. Finally, take frequent breaks if you sit for long periods. Stand up and walk around every hour. This keeps your back active and reduces strain. Imagine feeling lighter and more comfortable throughout your day. These simple steps can make a huge difference. To recap, stretch your back, use a warm compress, maintain good posture, and take breaks. These quick fixes are easy to implement. Don't let back pain control your life. Start today by incorporating these tips.